Hello, Primary 5. Welcome to our lesson today. We will talk today about factors and prime factors and how to get this and composite numbers. First, what is the meaning of the word product? Product is an answer to a multiplication problem. Like what? 7 times 8 equals 56. 56 is an answer. This answer is called the product. So, factor. A factor is a number that is multiplied by another to give a product. Again, two numbers multiplied by each other give you a product, give you an answer. This is called factor. The same example, 7 multiplied by 8 equals 56. 56 from the last slide called product, but 7 and 8, each one of them is called factor. 7 is a factor and also 8 is a factor. Okay? Factors again, with another definition, is a number that divides evenly into another. Like what? 56 divided by 8 equals 7. 56 is a dividend or is a product in multiplication problem. What about 8 and 7? This is called factor, and also this is called a factor. So factor here is 8. Now, what are the factors? First one, 6 multiplied by 7 equals 42. Where are the factors here? This is called the product. This is multiplication sign, equal sign. So 6 and 7 are factors. Now 7, 9, 63. Yes, 7 and 9. 48 divided by 6 is equal 8. Yes, 6 and 8. 36 divided by 9 is equal 4, 4 and 9. Now we will talk about prime numbers. A prime number is a number that has only two factors, 1 and itself. Like 2. If I asked you to get number 2 by or from timetable, what number multiplied each other give you 2? You will say 1 by 2 only and stop. 1 is 1, 2 itself. There is another number to give you 2? No. 3. 1 by 3. So here 1 and only itself. 2 factors only. Like we have here is a 7. 7 is 1 multiplied by a 7 is equal 7. So we have here 2 factors, 1 and 7. 7 here is a prime because the only numbers that will divide into it is 1 or 1 and 7. Now, prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, and so on. One is not a prime number. Okay. Composite number. Composite number is a number that has more than 2 factors, like 24. What numbers multiplied by each other give you 24? You will say 1 multiplied by 24, 4 by 6, 3 by 8, 2 by 12, more than 2 factors here. Okay? If we have an example is 8. What number multiplied by each other give you 8? You will say 1 by 8, 2 by 4. How many factors here? 1, 2, 3, 4. More than 2 factors. This is called composite number. Examples of our composite numbers, we have 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, and so on, 12, 14, 15, so on. So, every whole number from 2 on is either composite or prime. Now, our lonely 1. 1 is not a prime, nor composite. Why? 1 is not prime because it doesn't have exactly 2 different factors. It doesn't have 2 different factors. So, it is not a prime. At the same time, it is not a composite because it doesn't have more than 2 factors. So, 1, not a prime and not composite. Again, why 1 is not a prime? Because it doesn't have exactly 2 different factors. And why is not a composite? Because it doesn't have more than 2 factors. Our only one here is prime. Okay. Now, prime factorization. Not prime numbers, prime factorization. Prime factorization is a way to write a composite number as the product of prime factors. Let's see how. 12. If I asked you to get the factors of 12, you will say 1 multiplied by 12, so we have here 1 and 12. 3 multiplied by 4, 3 and 4. 2 multiplied by 6, so 2 and 6. These are called factors, but not is the prime factors. Okay? Prime factors here is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 to get 12. How to do prime factorization? We used factor 3, like this. Now we have a composite number is 48. We want to get its prime numbers. 48, what numbers multiplied by each other give you 48? There is more. So we will take only 1 from the timetable, 6 by 8. Okay? Now, 6 is not a prime, and 8 also not a prime. So we will break 6 into 2 numbers from the timetable. 6 is 2 by 3. So we will write down 2 and 3. 8 is 2 by 4. Okay, 2 is a prime. That's okay. 3 is a prime. Right. 2 here is a prime. Okay. 4 is not a prime. So we will break 4 into 2 numbers multiplied by each other from the timetable. Okay. Two by 2. Now see all the prime factors we have. 2, multiply by 3, multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2. So the factors which are prime of 48 are these factors. Okay? Again, this is the last step. Okay, from least to greatest, okay. 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 by 3 is equal 48. This is the last step, step 5. Now, prime factor this number, 4. 4 is 2 by 2. 2 is a prime? Yes. And second, 2 also is a prime. So, its prime factors of 4 is 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, 6. From the timetable, what numbers give you 6? Yes, right answer, 2 by 3. 2 is a prime? Yes. 3 is a prime? Yes. So these are prime factors of 6. 8. 2 by 4. We will write 2 by 4. 2 is a prime? Yes. 4 is a prime? No. Again, do you remember the prime factors? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, and so on. So 4 is not a prime. We will break it into 2 numbers multiplied by each other from the timetable. 2 by 2. The first 2 down. 4, 2 by 2. So the prime factors here are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 equals 8. Okay, 9. 9, 3 by 3. Okay, is equal to 10. 2 by 5. 2 is a prime and 5 also is a prime, equals 10. Okay, 12. 12, you have 3 by 4 or 2 by 6, whatever you will write. 3 times 4. 3 is a prime, it's okay, but 4 is not. So we will break 4 into 2 numbers multiplied by each other from the timetable. 2 by 2. Now, the prime factors are 3, 2, 2. Okay. 14. 14, 2 by 7. 2 is a prime and 7 also is a prime. It's okay. 15. 3 by 5. 3 is a prime and 5 also is a prime. It's okay. 15. 16. We have more. 2 by 8 or 4 by 4. 4 by 4. Okay. 4 is not a prime and the other 4 is not also a prime. So we will break it down into 2 by 2 and 2 by 2. First 4, 2 multiplied by 2. Second 4 is 2 multiplied by 2. So 16, its prime factors are 2 by 2 by 2 by 2. Prime factor this number 18, we have 2 by 9 and 3 by 6, whatever you will write. 3 by 6, it's okay. 3 is a prime, 6 is not, so we will break 6 into 2 by 3. Now the prime factors are the first 3 and 2 and second 3. 2 by 3 by 3 equals 80. 20. 4 by 5, it's okay, or 2 by 10, whatever, 4 by 5, okay, 4 is not a prime, 5 is a prime. So 4, 2 by 2, and 5. Write it down again, so the prime factors are here, 2 by 2 by 5. 21, from the timetable, what numbers multiplied by each other give you 21? Yes, 3 by 7. 3 is a prime and 7 is a prime also. 22, 2 by 11. 2 is a prime, 11 also is a prime. I hope you understand our lesson today, and thank you for listening. Bye bye.